Hello and welcome back. Today I've already tried this out, but it's the Almay Clear Complexion Concealer. And I have tried this out because coming back from Europe, you can definitely tell that my face is so broken out. It did so well in Europe with the humidity. I really don't like humidity. I think I talked about this in another video, but I really don't like humidity. But my skin absolutely loves it. And it was so clear and so good while I was out there. And then I came back to Colorado and it's like, what the hell did you do to me? It's producing more oil, I'm breaking out. But anyway, so I saw this. I thought I had picked up in my bag of concealers to try. I thought I picked up one that was supposed to help with acne because I saw one at Target, but I probably at that point was like, oh, my acne is really under control. I don't really need one. And then this happened and I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna go look for one now. So this is the Clear Complexion Concealer. Let's read about it. So I got this at Target and it is $9.99 at Target. So great price, we love that. There were not very many shades, but when I tried this on, and I wanna talk to the shades a little bit just right now. So here's the packaging. We're kind of gonna do this all out of order, but this is the packaging. Do I have it upside down? I think I do. So pretty basic. I mean, it's nice like that. I like the teal lid and everything is compact. I like the packaging, right? Okay. So then it looks like it is really dark in the tube, right? I got shade medium. They only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades. And I got medium. And I was like, okay, this is probably going to, fit me, match me the most. And then I was like, got it home and I was like, I don't know about this. So, but let me show you. So here's the doe foot. So it's pointy and flat, which is cool. And then I will swatch this. So the color match is actually pretty perfect for me. I was like shocked. Not a lot comes out on here. I don't think that it's supposed to. I think it's supposed to be more for it's not supposed to be like highlighting, concealer. But let's keep reading. So it's $9.99. They only have a few shades, but it seems like they blend and match pretty well. I don't know, at least for me. I'm not used to Target's website, so I'm looking around here. Description: Almay's new and improved hypoallergenic clear complexion concealer skin balancing formula works to spot, treat acne, and support skin's healthy look. Ideal for acne-prone skin types, oily skin, and combination skin. The lightweight, full coverage concealer targets and fights blemishes, leaving skin with a seamless, soft matte finish that lasts all day. In addition to a dose of maximum strength of 2% salicylic acid, don't know if I'm saying that right, that helps treat and prevent future breakouts. This makeup essential is now powered by prebiotics. I know what a probiotic is, but not a prebiotic. And aloe vera. Why? Prebiotics nourish a healthy, okay, they're gonna tell us. Nourish a healthy skin barrier for a well-balanced complexion. Soothing aloe vera moisturizes skin, which helps calm signs of irritation. The non-drying, non-cakey, non-comedogenic, won't clog pores, concealer also comes with a redesigned doe foot wand for even better application. Oh, highlights: full coverage spot treatment concealer with lasting soft matte finish. I use it for under eyes too. So seamlessly covers, treats acne, supports skin's healthy appearance. Ideal for acne-prone oil skin. Formulated with 2% salicylic acid. Fights breakouts. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it for you guys so you guys can see it. So you guys already saw the swatch. I'm going to apply it and then we're going to talk about how I felt about it. So we're just going to do our 3 dots like normal. Or I'm sorry, 2 dots. And then also I'm going to do it on all of my acne marks. And not, like I said, not a lot gets on this wand when you dip it in here. So just be aware of that. It's not like you're not gonna get a full swipe. I'm gonna put some down here, over here, a little on the chin. Okay, I think that's enough. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out. And I actually am going to use the Morphe M173. This is what it looks like. It's like a tiny little, it's like a smaller version of that other brush that I like. I bought this a long time ago and I ended up not liking it in the beginning because it was like pokey, but I never washed it or anything. I bought it for the car so I could do it in the car. And then I forgot about it and I used it in the car the other day because I needed to. And it's really nice to like get in the creases. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out with this new brush. It gets in the creases really nicely, and it's like really concentrated. Somebody left in the comments of one of my videos that other brush that I use, I don't even have it up here, but it's it swallows the product and like it's too big. I like it because it's quick and it blends like more of a bigger area, but I'm gonna try to use this a little bit more because I do like the concentration of it. Like you're just getting right in there, exactly where you want it, you know? And I like that. So as you can see, this blends very nicely and the shade is great. I've only used this a couple of times. There was something that I had to talk to you guys about, but I forget. I was like, okay, I'm gonna talk to them about it on camera, but I completely forgot. So I'm just gonna drag it down just a little bit just to blend it out. So I'm just gonna blend it right on my blemish. I'm not gonna move it around. I'm just going to pat it in. And I mean, look at that. Look at that coverage. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm already blowing my review on this. But yeah, I'll just talk to you about it. This stuff is so good. I love the color on me. It blends out really easily. I can't speak to the claims of it helping acne. I think that might just be like a gimmick that they use to sell the product. But as far as the concealer goes, like I freaking love this. It blends out, it's unclockable. It covers. It blends out really nicely. It's unclockable. And I freaking love it. Like it's cheap. It's $10 for this tube. And look, I should have done one side, like usual. But you can see it is just like, I love it. I just love it. This is actually like a really good competition to the Morphe 2 concealer that I'm really vibing on. So I'm super excited that I found this because I really, really like it. Like, what do you guys think? It'd be interesting to see under all the lights, like what it looks like. You know, that's the true test. So yeah, I like it. So anyway, I'll insert a little bit of footage of what it looked like the first time that I used it in the car. All right, here it is in the daylight. Not the most full coverage for my pimples, but I think it's supposed to help treat them. And I'm really digging this. Like, it's pretty freaking unclockable. But yeah, this is a total win for me. I'm loving this Almay Clear Complexion Concealer. I had never really, I feel like I've heard the name Almay for makeup before, but I mean, it's not a huge name for me. So I was like, okay, like, we'll see how this goes. And this is a complete win. I, again, don't know how it works with fighting acne. I mean, like I said, it's probably just a gimmick to sell product. But as far as the concealer goes, I am super into this. And you should go and check it out. Let me know if you guys have issues with shade matching because they don't have a lot of colors. That's the one thing that I don't like about this. But I do feel like it kind of like adjusts to your skin a little bit, but you guys let me know if you guys get this, how that works out for you guys. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this review. And if you need any real estate help in the Denver metro area, I am your man. I can help you with buy, sell real estate. I can help you with leasing downtown. I can help you with everything. All my contact information will be down below. And thank you again so much for joining me on this one. And I will check you on the next one. Bye.